Is the Brambila Method really worth it? Before I get into it, welcome to my channel. My name is Elias. If you haven't already, subscribe down below. Is the Brambila Method really worth it? Well, this is going to be my honest review to give you about the Brambila Method, the new kid on the block. Is this affiliate marketing or side hustle program going to be really worth it? Is it worth your money? Is it worth your time? And can you really make money with it? Let's get right into it.
Let's talk about the Brambila Method. Man, if you don't know already, this is a new kid on the block and it's changing the game. But like always, I'm giving my honest review, but I'm super excited for this. I've been waiting for a program like this for a very, very long time. So I'll get into it, but let's go into it. Who is Adrian Brambila? You see the man with a smile with a nice suit on right here. He's simple. He's an 8-figure affiliate marketer, serial internet entrepreneur, and a multi-millionaire who lives in a van. The crazy thing that he lives in a van. Man, he started breakdancing. He was a dancer for T-Pain, started dancing and started his online internet entrepreneurship doing dancing videos and teaching people how to do the robot, and went from there every year advancing his skills and going into various different business models and doing affiliate marketing as well. It has been very successful, as you can see, as an 8-figure affiliate marketer. But he created this course to essentially show how he does affiliate marketing, because he's not like others. He doesn't show just how to do affiliate marketing the simple way. He doesn't really teach you how to sell digital courses or how to sell essentially digital products or sell a course itself. He teaches you how you can essentially promote just about anything in different ways and shapes and forms, and how you can drive traffic in different ways, shapes and forms. It's an 8-day program, as you can see here. Day 1, leads that pay you first. Day 2, easy digital passive income. Day 3, high ticket residual income. Day 4, physical products passive income. Day 5 through day 8 is affiliate marketing 101. So let's take a deep dive into it. So you can see here, this is the layout of the website of the Brambila. Risk nothing, earn everything. It's very nice laid out. As a Hispanic male, I love this, that he brings out the Hispanic culture, the Latino culture, the Mexican culture out in this, which is amazing. Day 1 is simple, selling your creativity through services on Fiverr. Day 1 talks about freelancing, going on Fiverr. He takes you step by step. He does a case study, shows you what he did, how you can use your creativity mind and apply that on freelancing sites like Fiverr. He takes you overview and the strategy. Then he takes you the proof of concept, which is the case study that he does, and shows you that it does work. He also brings in a guest celebrity instructor on the show that teaches you, walks you through step by step how you can set up your Fiverr account and get it running. Someone who's been doing Fiverr for a very long time is very successful in it. Day 2 is essentially creating the mini courses and putting them out there on the marketplace and selling those mini courses to make passive income. Now think about this. It may take you 1 or 2 hours to create, let's say, a mini course. But once you do create it, you're out there. It's going to be out there for however long you let it out there. And it's going to be growing. That seed that you plant is going to be growing and growing and growing. And you're going to be getting passive income from that seed for however long. It's one and done. You do it once, you post on these websites, and it's done. You're not touching it again. Day 3 is landing high ticket retainers on Upwork. This is my least favorite one, right? But it's one that if you have the skills and you're wanting to look to landing high ticket retainers, this is a great one. Once again, he does his overview, his strategy, his case study, and how you can attack this, how you can walk through setting everything up, and how you can land high ticket retainers. Simple. You're applying for jobs using your skill sets. For example, if you're a customer service rep or if you're a virtual assistant, you apply for these jobs, you work for companies for a certain amount of time. Over time, they're going to start hiring you for retainers. Now, we're not talking about a couple $1,000s. Their retainers are tens of thousands, 20,000, 30,000s per month. This is really the ticket of landing, residual income every month. Day 4 is everyone's favorite. Sell your ideas through custom merch without inventory. Print on demand. Now that may sound foreign to you, but the concept is easy. You're posting your designs on t-shirts, on merchandise, right? On t-shirts, on hats, on mugs, on phone cases. You get the concept, right? And then they're gonna put them on their store or on their website. And when a customer buys, you receive a portion of that sale. It's simple. It's completely free to do. It's free to sign up and free to post your designs. And it's passive income. Once you post the design, it's out there to the world to buy, and you receive that cha-ching, right? I love it. It gets creative minds going, and it's super fun to do. Day five is the big one. Affiliate marketing, what a lot of people are into, right? Affiliate marketing 101. Now this is pretty basic, but it does go through what exactly affiliate marketing is and how you can search affiliate marketing. Now what I like about this is it doesn't just show you, hey, go to ClickBank and look for a product like a lot of other courses do. This shows you how you can go to affiliate networks like ClickBank, but it also shows you how you can search on Google and find just about any product to affiliate with. Also, he does go over a concept called Casa de Brambila, was essentially just what the upsell would be, right? He gives you the opportunity, if you like to learn more or get more advanced training, that is an option. How he came up with this and how he pitches it to in the video is super. It's up to you if you like to do it. It's not needed and it's optional, right? Earn money through what you already learned with the last 4 days, and then reapply that and reinvest into your business is how he pitches it. Now day 6 and day 7 is once again just giving you more tips, tricks, and how he does affiliate marketing, and everything like that, right? How you can leverage data and creativity to make passive income, how you can leverage groups and stuff like that, leverage social media, how you can do everything to get started with affiliate marketing. So what shows you everything, how to look up a product to how you can market your product as well. Now I'm not going to reveal his secret method, how he circles all 4 business models into affiliate marketing. Now that's something you have to find out yourself, but it's something that I promise you that you would never heard of, and it's so creative and a great way to do it. Day 8, as you can see here, is locked for most people. Now I won't give out the secret as well, but the whole point of this is for you to use these strategies, apply them, and showcase that you're actually applying those strategies, and then day 8 will be unlocked. I love this. This really shows that he cares. He cares that someone's actually applying the strategies, the tips to actually start making money online. Now I've been through a lot of courses, and I never seen this happen. There's really, hey, sign up for my course and whatever happens afterwards, right? No, this is gonna give you the program, the strategy, the tips, and their follow-up, right? They want you to succeed. They want you to get everything going. They want you to start making money online. Because what happens to most cases, people sign up for a program or training or wherever it is and never make a dime online. And I've been on this Facebook group for a while. And let me tell you, the Facebook group has been nothing but achievements. Nothing but people, making their first dollar online. It's amazing. But not only that, let's talk about the bonus here. You out here, what to expect, setting up your domain name, ClickFunnels setup, integrating, setting up an email, setting up your email automations, and everything like that. Not only does he show you the tactics, but they give you a walkthrough step by step of how to set up everything from a landing page to your email autoresponder. Now that's something that not very many do, and it's something that you absolutely is great. Now, depending on when you actually go on this website to sign up, it depends. It may be closed. There's a big reason why they do this. There's only open enrollment through the 15th to the end of the month of each month. So the 1st to the 15th, they are not open for enrollment. You can't sign up for the waiting list, as you can see here. But if you're doing this, whenever, if it's between the 1st and the 15th, doors are closed and you're not able to sign up. So there's only open enrollment through the 15th to the end of the month. So if you are serious about joining and serious about getting started, I am gonna leave a link in the description down below. But just keep that in mind. If it's the 15th to the end of the month, you are able to sign up. Or if it's not, if it's the other, the controversy, the other 1st to the 15th, then you do need to wait until the 15th of the month. I highly suggest signing up for the wait list so you'll be the first to know. Now, there's only, certain spots available. The reason they do this is they want, like I said, help people succeed. So they limit the participation, limit the people they can enroll so they can help people more one-on-one.
You've seen what the program is about. You've seen the 8 days. You've seen inside of it. Now let's talk about the pros. The pro is only 8 days. No fluff. All value. All given in within 8 days. Each day is jam-packed with information. Pro number 2 is the information, the tips, the strategy that gives you is out of this world. You're not gonna see this somewhere else. You've never seen this in affiliate marketing. I've been experienced. I've done this for a while. I've never seen the strategy that he does. Now, what's a con? I don't see it as a con, but you do have to wait 24 hours between each day before you can access the next day. Another one, it does talk about other things. If you're just looking for an affiliate marketing course or program, which it gives you a lot of information about that, but it also gives you essentially 4 other business models: print on demand, using Upwork, using mini courses, and then using Fiverr as a freelancing. So it does talk about those other things, which really, if you're just saying, hey, I just want to do affiliate marketing, I want to look at those things, maybe it's not for you. Now let's talk about the cons. Cons is, I don't see it as a con, but you have to wait 24 hours between the next day before you can access the next day number 2. Con number 2 is this doesn't just focus about affiliate marketing. It focuses about other business models like freelancing, mini courses, print on demand, just to name the few. You've seen what's inside of it. So if this isn't for you, if you're just looking for a 100% affiliate marketing course, this may not be for you, but it does all tie into affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the core of it. As explained, that the program is only open for open enrollment between the 15th and the end of the month. So if you're seeing this video and you're ready to enroll in between those days, make sure you enroll as soon as possible. There's limited spots available. Also, if you're doing it between the 1st and the 15th and you want to enroll, just sign up for the waiting list and we'll let you know when the open enrollment is and you'll be the first one to know. Hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully this gave you more information about the Brambila Method. But I absolutely do agree this is worth it. And this is one of the best programs out there, especially for your money. Nothing is out there. This is a game changer. This is going to blow your mind, as it's already done to so many. And if you haven't already, go check it out for yourself. Hit that link in the description to check it out. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more videos coming up, more reviews.